Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm really excited for this one because it's going to show how I am going to set up my template store using a combination and automation through LighFunnels and my UChat chatbot. So the first thing that I did is I'm building my template store inside of LighFunnels. From here, as you can see, I only have 2 templates at the moment, but there are going to be a total of 7 templates by tomorrow when the template store goes live. And from here, as soon as someone presses towards the checkout, they'll go to the checkout page. They can accept an order bump if they want to. They go to a thank you page where they will see the overview of their order and then have a button that goes back towards the chatbot and shows them and gives them access towards the available templates they just purchased. So it's a complete automation from going to the template store, going over to the chatbot, and then getting access to their available template. So I wanted to share this with you because it can give you an idea on how you can set this up for your own products, whether it is templates or other kinds of products. You can do this exactly the same way with a combination of LighFunnels and UChat. For this to work, I also integrated LighFunnels with my Google Sheet. And the way to do this in LighFunnels is if you go to apps, you can install an app. As you can see, I have 3 installed apps at the moment, and there are plenty of more that you can integrate with LighFunnels yourselves, but I needed the Google Sheet app. So if I open this, you will see that I have a Google Sheet connected. As you can see, this is the name. The type will be orders, and then the status is set to enabled, and I created this yesterday even. So if we take a look here, you will see that I'm mapping all the columns in Google Sheets. So all these columns correspond with the Google Sheet columns that I have. So if we take a look at the Google Sheets, you will have the first name, last name, email, phone, order number, order ID, type, and title. And those correspond with these column names. Then you can just map the specific variable, system variable inside of LighFunnels to that specific column. And as you can see, I've done just that. Already did a test, and as you can see, this is the test of the export. So as soon as I purchase something, you will see that this will be the export, right? So let's just walk through this initial step. Let's say I'm going to purchase the UChat chatbot starter package. So if I'm going to preview this page, and let's remove the preview. There we go. And then say I'm going to claim the 72% off. So I'm going to press that. I will be taken towards the checkout page. And as you can see here, I have my initial purchase, right? So the UChat chatbot starter package. But I can also say I want to add this quiz template as well. So this will be an order bump. And the order bump will have a small add-on price-wise, right? It's just $12.99, and that should bring the total to $39.99. So before I'm going to fill all of this in and purchase the templates, I'm going to show you how it looks like right now inside the chatbot. So if we take a look here, after purchase, they will go to a thank you page and then have a button that goes towards this flow. Inside, I'm going to ask, instead for the order ID, I'm going to ask for the email they purchased their templates on. And then I'm going to do a search on Google Sheets. So inside the Google Sheet action, you will see that I'm going to search. Let's pull it up. I'm going to search for the email that the user just has given, right? And inside I can have over 100 different kinds of orders and order IDs, but I'm searching by email. And what this does is it's going to collect all the rows that has that unique email. And I'm going to save that inside of a JSON custom field. What this allows me to do is to dynamically create gallery cards based on all the data that I received from Google Sheets. So if we go towards the next step, you will see that I have a text block basically, right? With these are your available templates, and then a for each step. In the for each step, I'm going to pull in all the data from the Google Sheet, like the template title, If I had a description, I can do so as well, but instead I'm just inserting a download template button. Once they have chosen the template they want to download, I'm going to save that inside of a custom field. As you can see, template main purchase title. And then I'm going to generate the template link. As you can see, I have an API that will generate a one-time link from UChat. And with these conditions set up, I'm going to check which template they want to generate, right? So which template they want to download. And inside you will see that I will be able to do a template ID lookup in this case. So if the template is a UChat starter package, for example, it should contain the word starter inside, and then I'm going to generate a link and give them access to it. So the way it looks now, as you can see, perfect. Let me search up your order. These are your available templates. So for now, I only have access to the viral referral template. And if I say download the template, then I'm going to download or generate the template link, right? And then after a few seconds, then the button will show with download the template and also watch the walkthrough how they can use the template themselves. But if I press the download template, it should take me to the viral referral. So let's take a look. As you can see, I can now install this template. So the automation is working. So if we take a look now, let's go towards the UChat starter package. And let's say I also want to include the UChat quiz template. Let's fill in the order real quick. Since this is a Stripe account in test mode, I can just fill in one of the available numbers. And let's say I'm going to say pay now. So this will generate the order inside of LighFunnels, and soon in a few seconds I will be redirected towards the thank you page, where I will then have a button that goes towards the chatbot. As you can see here, order summary, we have the UChat starter package and the UChat quiz template. If we go over towards the Google Sheet, we should also see the export of this order. So if we take a look now, you will see that we have two more lines now, and also all at the same email. So that's important that you use the same email. And then you will see all the available templates. So we have the file referral template, the UChat chatbot starter package, and the UChat quiz template. So if we take a look at the page now, we have a button to go towards the chatbot to access the template. So if we do that, we are ending up inside the chatbot overview. And from here, you will be asked, what is the email you just purchased the templates with? In this case, it's this one. And now it's going to search for the Google Sheet. Takes a few seconds. And now you will see that instead of just the viral referral template, I now also have access towards the UChat chatbot starter package and also the UChat quiz template. So these two have now dynamically been added because the UChat chatbot was able to fetch all the new data connected towards this email address, right? But you can also do, if you like to do a search by order ID or by order number, because that is basically the ordered number that you will get, right? So 185 corresponds with the order number that has been exported by LighFunnels, and an order ID is not visible inside this order overview, but you can do a search up any way you like to. For me, email makes more sense because this way I can just give access to any template they previously purchased instead of just allowing them to show the available templates by order number instead, right? So as you can see, a really great option and a great automation between LighFunnels and the Google Sheet export, right? As soon as an order has been paid, over towards basically the UChat chatbot, where users can get access towards any available purchase template. So as you can see here, for example, if I go and want to download the starter package, so let's do that as well. Let's download the starter package. It should end up inside of this overview. So a short description and then have the available buttons. So download the template, watch the walkthrough, and also download the sheet, which basically makes a copy of the sheet. So if we take a look now, you will see you will have a short description. You will have the 3 buttons like download the template, and this should go towards the UChat template. And as you can see here, chatbot starter package. And then also have the watch walkthrough video and download of the Google Sheet. So if you do that, you can just copy the document and then make a copy towards your own Google account. So a really powerful combination between LighFunnels and UChat, allowing you to completely automate the purchase inside the template store inside of LighFunnels, and then give access through the chatbot in UChat. So if you like this video, consider dropping a like, because it will help me reach more people and show the power of chatbot automations and what is possible for businesses if they want to include chatbot marketing into their own business, right? And if you want to get notified about new videos going live, which is pretty much every single week, then press that subscribe button and the bell notification to the right of it. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.